So when coming back to use it for when it's been sitting idle for a while, first things first is to get a clean rug and just wipe off all these open slideways, including always. Usually I try to cover the wheelbase. But sometimes you just forget. Just clean them out. So it's a bit okay. Still it's the remains of the scraping, which is a reminder to me that it's getting soon time to lift the table off and make a survey plan of the wayways and the table, and find out the condition and see if we need to correct the geometry or anything, or if it's just to fix the surface. I think it's going to be a bit of both. So there we just touched off the feet, not entirely necessary, but just to make sure that they are flat and in one plane and pointing the same direction, so it will be sitting nicer on the table. And by not really necessary, I mean there are 3 of them, so it will be sitting on 3 points. Final pass. Just vacuum away all chips and released the clamps and retightened them and checked everything. And now just taking a final pass of approximately 0.1 millimeters. Seems to be cleaning up pretty nicely. So, having just released the clamps, it's still sitting exactly as machined. So I have this one. You can see that it's hinging. A bit towards the ends, and similarly like there, diagonally. It's almost hinging in the middle. Now, and I had a shim. Oh, I found my shim. It's only one I had left right here at the workshop. That is 100th of a millimeter. So I put that on, and now we see that it's spinning nicely like that. So of course it's not a precise way to be measuring the flatness of it, but it's a good indication that we're in the ballpark of it should now be reasonable work to scrape it. The last 0.5 of a millimeter that's left to go.